Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. In this video, I will teach you how to use guided access in iOS. Guided access is used to stick to one application on your phone. It is also called a guest mode. To enable this feature, go to Settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and click on the Accessibility button. Here again, scroll down and click on Guided Access. Let us turn it on to show you as demo. You can read that it says guided access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available to start guided access. Triple-click the side button in the app you want to use. Here you can click on the passcode setting and enable the Face ID. When you enable the Face ID after clicking 3 times on your side button, the iPhone will simply see your face and its access will be turned on. If you do not want to use this feature, you can also set up a guided access password. For example, here, I can set 8080. Now I will have to re-enter the password 8080, and my guided access will be enabled. Now you can go back. You can also set the time limit, and alarm settings can be enabled, otherwise, you can turn on the speaker settings. You can also set some accessibility checkers by clicking the side button again during the guided session. Accessibility shortcut will be displayed. The last option here is to display auto lock. By enabling this, your phone will be auto-locked in guided access mode after 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or whatever setting you set. You can now give it to your kid, and your kid will not be able to use any other application except the one you will open. Now let's start a tutorial to learn how to use guided access. For example, you can turn on the YouTube app and click 3 times on the side button. Here you can see that the guided access windows are displayed. You can see multiple options by clicking the Options button in the bottom left corner. By toggling these options, you can set it on and off. For example, if the side button is enabled, the option for the side button will be kept on during guided access. Here you can set the time for guided access as well. After that time, the guided access will be automatically turned off. Now click on the Start button. You can see that the guided access has been enabled. You can turn it off anytime by pressing it 3 times. The side button phone will directly ask you to enter the passcode, and then you can resume with guided access or end it anytime. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to get more useful information like this.